On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make chin chin. This is a Nigerian snack, also in the category of finger food. You can go to most Nigerian homes and not see chin chin. This is used during festive periods to serve guests and other times as well. Alright, welcome to Benedict's table. Let's move straight to making this chin chin. We first start by pouring our flour into a bowl. We add some sugar, add some salt, add some powdered nutmeg, not forgetting our baking powder. These are the dry ingredients we'll be needing, and then we'll mix this together for everything to be well incorporated before going in with our butter. We'll mix our butter into the dry ingredients until it looks like fine breadcrumbs. Then after this, we'll go in with our liquid ingredients, first with the egg and second with our milk, our liquid milk. You can go in with a little vanilla flavor or any flavor of your choice at this point, and then mix up everything until the dough comes together. That is just all you need for this delicious and tasty Nigerian snack. We're done mixing the dough, and next we'll add some flour on the board, put our dough on the board, and we'll be rolling it with a rolling pin. Now we want to get a very flat dough. Yes, when I mean flat, you're flat. And we'll start by cutting this so we can get those tiny little rectangular or square shape. Whatever shape you need, you just cut it into it. So I'm cutting it into stripes, first vertically and then horizontally, and that is all. After this is done, we're going to be needing a little flour to put in a tray or plate, and then pick up the dough that has been cut, put it on the floured plate. So here I'm using a plate, and the plate has been, a little flour has been dusted on it already, and we're adding the cut dough into it. At this point, our oil is already on. Yes, we're heating it up so that we'll be putting the cut dough next into it. So you can just, as you can see, the oil is hot and the dough is already going into it. So our chin chin is being fried. So that is just all that is needed to make this delicious and tasty snack. And please, if you've watched to this point, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share this so that it will get to my target audience. And you can try this recipe and let me know how it went. Bye.